Good evening, my dear friends, Astro friends, JK Astro friends. This is your JK from JK Astro. Today's topic is why some have mild corona attacks. See, now the corona is very much affecting people. In this, some people, even the corona comes, some people may not hover also. It will come and go. Some people will have mild corona attack and house isolation and take some tablets and go away. When some people got a severe, they go to doctor, lot of medicine, this plus test and other things. Some people go to the ICU and get themselves treated. Some people oxygen, this and other things, all these things. Here, last time I posted a video, who will get corona. That is a general video. Now I am going to specifically say why some people have mild corona attacks. Astrological reasons in their chart. And two more charts also I included to differentiate this mild corona attack and after getting corona, death has happened to them. That also I added to give a comparison with these mild corona attacks. What is the astrological combination? When it becomes severe, critical, and then death has happened, why? That also I explain. Here, mainly 159, that is a trikona, we all know. This 159 indicates houses and the lords indicate immunity. We all know first house is yourself. That is your body. If it is very strong, then automatically resistance power will be there. Then fifth house indicates person's resistance power. If the fifth lord and fifth house is also good, fifth lord is well placed, then is resistance power. Whatever comes, not only corona, any fever, any illness, he has got the resistance power, it will just shrug it off. Why fifth house is the resistance, I am telling. See, classic says it's a Purva Punya house. Okay. Logically, if you think, is a 12th house from 6th house? We all know 6th house is a Rogasthana. For Rogasthana, Vyayasthana is the 5th house. For any house, for 4th house, 3rd house is the Vyayasthana, something like that. So for any house, Vyayasthana, that means loss of that house is the 12th house from that house. So 5th house is the Vyayasthana or 12th house from the 6th house. That is why, so that is for the 6th house, that is Roga, he will be getting cured. That means Roga will go away. So Roga you are throwing it off. That is the 5th house indicates. 9th house, that is the Bhagyasthana. See, for everything you need Bhagya. Here also Bhagya works. How? You are getting a timely medical assistance because nowadays we know no beds, no oxygen, no ICU, lot of people are suffering, no ambulance, so lot of people are suffering, struggling. So if we get a timely medical assistance, that means hospital, ICU, all these things, or timely medical advice from the doctor, and the doctor's advice, that is also very important, because nowadays all medical people are stressed, because usually 10 people they treat, now hundreds of people they have to treat. So sometimes they may not diagnose you properly. Their 9th house plays a proper role. Even if they give medicine, ninth house gives the response to medication also. Now, we will see, before we are going to see the charts, analyzation part, I request every one of you, every one of my dear viewers, please subscribe and share this video, because knowledge has to be shared. Why I am posting this video? Because I want to share my knowledge to everyone. The same way, when you get this video, please share with your astro friends and ask them to subscribe. That is the Guru Dakshana you are paying for me. So I expect every one of you should share and get this thing subscribed. Then only, see, for anybody should get the motivation. This is my motivation. If I see lot of people are watching my video, lot of people are subscribed, then my responsibility also will go up, and I will be thinking I have to gain more knowledge to give my knowledge to these people. So lot of videos will come to you, and that astro friends will get the benefit from that. Now we'll come to the chart. So I told you already. See, we are going to see the very simple thing. We are not going to analyze very complicated analysis and other things. We are going to take small, two or three dictums and see that works or not. See, I got lot of charts, COVID charts I collected. In the lot of charts, I put this dictum, and after seeing that it's working, then I have given the some few charts here, because I don't want to put hundreds of charts and waste your time. Now we'll see. We'll come to the point. Fifth Lord Moon is aspected by the Lagna Lord Jupiter himself. See, usually they say Jupiter, if you're a good planet for you, its aspect, Jupiter Drishti will remove the even koti doshas also, even crores of doshas also from the chart. Here, Jupiter has become a Lagna Lord himself. But Lagna Lord has gone to 6th house. That is why he has got the Roga. Okay, that is a different thing. Now, we are concentrating only 5th. I don't want to add many things here to confuse you. So, here, Jupiter, 9th aspect, see here, Lagna is the Meena. That is Pisces. So, Jupiter is sitting in Leo. From Leo is aspecting the 5th Lord. Even though 5th Lord is, because of this 5th Lord is afflicted because of Rahu Ketu, Jupiter's thing, it's saving. It's a saving grace. And another good point is, who is the 9th Lord? 9th Lord is the Mars. He is in Lagna itself. Mars is in Lagna. That means 9th Lord is in Lagna. 5th Lord is Pisces. Okay, 5th Lord is aspected by the Lagna Lord. So, for Lagna Lord, that 5th Lord connection is there. And for Lagna, 9th Lord connection is there. So, this person has got the very mild the COVID thing, and he is home isolation, recovered very soon. But why he got, say, apart from Jupiter Lagna Lord is sitting here in 6th house. Here, I told you one dictum in my last thing also. Sun, Rahu and Mars, if it is strongly joined, that means strong COVID attack. Here, not only COVID, any contagious diseases. COVID is a very contagious, no? It is like a fire. Any contagious disease, these people get affected. See here, we will see that. See, Rahu is actually Sun is there. Rahu, third thing is, see here, Rahu, Sun is actually, Rahu, Sun is there. See, Rahu is in Aries. From Aries, Sun is in Sagittarius. Say 7, 8, 9. So, 9th aspect is on the Sun. 1. Now, Mars is, see, Rahu is not directly aspecting the Mars, but here Mars is joined, not joined. That is why if the Mars, if the Rahu is on Mars, aspect on Mars also, then problem it will be, you would have got a chronic thing. See here it is not there. And see Ketu is actually Rahu Ketu, already we have seen about on the moon, fifth lord. But this Jupiter aspect saved this thing. Okay, next. Here Lagna is Virchaga, that is Scorpio. Fifth lord Jupiter, where it is in the 11th house, that is in Leo. So fifth lord retro Jupiter and ninth lord moon are conjoined in Leo, and retro Lagna lord Mars, retro Mars also joined here. Here fifth lord, who is fifth lord? Jupiter from Scorpio is retro, is in Leo, and ninth lord, who is ninth lord? Moon, is also in Leo, and Lagna lord Mars, that is also retro, all put together, all of them joined in Leo. But the Rahu is also is here. But one concept is that Rahu will not harm retro planets. So he is not, harming this fifth lord Jupiter and Lagna lord Mars, because both of them are retro. And Rahu may affect moon. But the Lagna lord and ninth lord escaped from Rahu. Okay, fifth lord and Lagna lord escaped from Rahu. So another thing, here Sun plus Rahu is there. Sun plus Rahu is there. Even though Mars fifth lord is also, Lagna lord is also there, because it's retro, it is going away. And the fifth lord is also there, it is going away. So here, Sun Rahu is there, even though Mars is also there, it's retro, going away from the combination. That is why it is escaping. So here, this the second dictum, Sun Rahu is there, but Sun with the Rahu Mars is not there. That is why mild attack. And here another dictum, that fifth house is also escape from that thing, Rahu's clutches. So problem is not there. Another chart. Here Lagna is Virgo. That Saturn, fifth lord Saturn is in Lagna, Virgo. Again, who is the ninth lord? From Virgo, ninth lord is Venus. Venus is in own house with Rashinatha moon. Okay, see, from Lagna we have to calculate, same way Rashi also we have to calculate. So Rashinatha moon. And here also you see that Sun Rahu Mars combination is there. Sun Rahu, Sun is, where is Sun? Sun is in Scorpio. Rahu from Cancer is aspecting the Sun. So direct Sun Rahu connection is there. But Mars is aspecting. Eighth aspect is there, but Rahu is not aspecting. So this connection is not full. But Ketu is connected with the fifth lord. So Ketu actually medicine we will tell. So actually, because of this combination, here also very mild attack, not very, what I can say is very severe, not severe. Here also see, fifth lord Jupiter, which is the Lagna. Lagna is Scorpio. Fifth lord Jupiter aspect exalted ninth lord moon. So here beautiful connection. Fifth lord from Virgo is aspecting then fifth lord Jupiter aspecting the ninth lord Moon. Okay, and ninth lord is also aspecting Lagna and Lagna lord Mars. Here also Sun Rahu connection is there. Mars is aspecting. Fourth aspect is there, Rahu, but Rahu is in fifth lord Jupiter nakshatra. That is why he has got a very mild thing. And here also, see here the ascendant is Aries. So who is fifth lord? Fifth lord is Sun. Fifth lord Sun is exalted and in Lagna itself. And the ninth lord, who is ninth lord? Jupiter. Jupiter is in second house. Okay. Then, apart from that, here Sun and Rahu is connected. Mars aspect Rahu. Ketu is in fifth lord Sun nakshatra. That's all. So here also Sun Rahu Mars full combination is not there. And when I go to that the severe charts and other thing, now we have come. Here I am telling you, all this time we have seen fifth lord and ninth lord, and they are all good, and all these things happen. Nothing has happened, very mild. Here I am going to give the chart to you. His native is a COVID patient, but died. Even though Lagna Lord Mercury has fifth Lord Saturn connection. We'll see why. See, because after seeing this fifth and ninth and other things, Lagna Lord and other things, you will say immediately, no sir, I have seen one chart, it has got a fifth Lord connection. Lagna Lord himself has got a fifth Lord connection. Why he has got a severe COVID or critical, he was very critical or died or something like that because of COVID. Here, that's why particularly I have chosen this chart. The following gave severity of COVID or critical COVID and death also. See here, immediately you can see ninth house, I told you, Bhagya. See, Bhagya to leave also Bhagya. Bhagya to come out of Corona also is Bhagya. See here what happened. Ninth Lord, this is the Virgo Lagna. So Virgo Lagna from ninth house is the Taurus. So here ninth house is spoiled by 12th Lord Sun and Rahu Ketu. Okay, how about the ninth Lord? See, ninth Lord has gone to 8th house. So whatever the medicine they given to him has not worked. And also you see, Rahu is connecting 12th Lord Sun and the third and 8th Lord Mars strongly. See, we all know 8th house is a death house, is Ayusthana also, death house also. And third house, 8th from 8th is the third house. So here, Lord himself is getting affected by. See here, another thing also we have seen, Rahu is connecting Sun and Mars. See, in the previous charts we have seen Rahu may be connecting Sun, but Rahu is not connecting Mars. Mars is connecting to Rahu in other charts. But here, Rahu is connecting Sun and Rahu is connecting to Mars also. So, Rahu is connecting both of them. That is very strong. And also here Mars is happened to be 8th Lord and 3rd Lord also. 8th from 8th is the 3rd. So, Maraka thing. So, here. And also, see, here, medicine has not worked, but why the criticality will be there. But why the death also, we can see that. See, 10th house should involve and Bhataka and Maraka should involve. So, all these things you see, Jupiter actually, here Jupiter is the 7th Lord from the Kanya, is a first class Bhataka and Maraka. He has gone to 6th house. So, that disease, through the disease, is going to kill the patient. So this Maraka and Badaka, Jupiter aspects the Lagna Lord Mercury, even though Lagna Lord is very strong in his own house, but he is in a 10th house, Karmasthana, is aspecting the 5th Lord and 6th Lord. Here, Saturn is not only 5th Lord, he is a resistance master also, but he is a 6th Rogadipati also, that too in 10th house. That also Jupiter, even though Jupiter's aspect to good and other things, here Jupiter is not actually he is a Maraka and Badaka. His aspect removes the 5th house benefit. Now we will see one more chart. See here, he's only 33 years old, COVID patient, but died. We will see why. See the 5th Lord. Again you see 5th Lord is in 10th house. That also we have seen. 5th Lord is in 10th house. See here, Leo Lagna, 5th house is the Sagittarius. The Sagittarius, that means Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th Lord. Jupiter is 5th Lord. He is also 8th Lord. He is not only 5th Lord, Jupiter is also 8th Lord. He is sitting, you see, you will give resistance also, you will give a death also. That is actually Jupiter's, work. See here, Jupiter is sitting in the 10th house. Along with whom? Along with the 12th, strong 12th Lord Moon, because Moon is exalted here. And another point is, I already told you, 3rd house is 8th house from 8th. That is death house from again death house. See here, 3rd Lord and 10th Lord Venus is connected. So 5th effect is totally spoiled. So resistance power spoiled. Another thing is 9th house. 9th house is spoiled or not? Yes. 9th house. Which is the 9th house? 9th house is the Aries. So 9th house is spoiled by Ketu's aspect. Ketu, 9th aspect is that. So 9th aspect, and the 9th Lord has gone to 8th house. There also 9th Lord has gone to 8th house. So medicine has not worked, or doctor's advice, improper doctor advice, or some medical, medicine has not worked, already we are told, or some improper diagnostic and other thing. So here we see Lagna is also spoiled by Ketu. Here we have to see all these things. Lagna is also spoiled by Ketu. Now we are coming to the standard dictum. See here, Rahu is connecting Sun also. Rahu is connecting Sun also. Mars is also connecting the Sun. Here one exception is that Rahu is not connecting to totally Mars and Sun. But some people take Rahu's 2nd house also is connected, but we are not following the Nadi, we are following Parasara. So Rahu is connecting Sun, but 10th Lord, in 11th house from Lagna, but here Mars is connecting Sun. Here he has got the mild thing only, but why it has become critical and death also, we already explained how the 5th Lord is spoiled, how the 5th Lord is also 8th Lord, and how he is connected with the 12th Lord and 310 Venus, how the 9th house is spoiled. All these things we explained. Because of the other reasons, even though he has got the thing, there also 5th Lord is connected with the thing for last chart. Here also he has got some advantage because of this last dictum, but still lot of other disadvantages weighed him and took him to the death. With this, I end this video. Thank you very much. I hope you would have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please again, I request you, all of you, share, and ask them to subscribe. With this, I end this video. Good night. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.